In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more than 100 variants on Shopify. By default, Shopify limits you to 100 variants and 3 options per product, which can be really frustrating if you sell items with lots of sizes, colors, or customizations. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get around that limitation using a popular app called Globo Product Options and how to set it up so the options actually appear on your product pages. First, go to your Shopify dashboard and make sure you're logged into the correct store. From the main admin screen, click on the search bar at the top and type Apps. When Apps appears in the results, click on it to open the Apps section of your store. Inside the Apps area, look for the option that says All Recommended Apps and click it. This will take you to a page where you can access the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store to open it. In the App Store search bar, type Globo Product Options Variant. When the app shows up in the results, click on it to open the app page. Here you'll see more details about what it does and the pricing. Click on Install to start adding it to your store, and then confirm by clicking Install again when Shopify asks for permissions. Next, you'll be taken to the Globo pricing screen. You can continue with the free plan or start a free trial of one of the paid plans. The paid options are usually better if you need more advanced features, but for this tutorial, I'll choose Continue as free. Confirm again if it asks you to continue on the free plan. Once the app is installed, you'll land on the Globo dashboard. Click on Create Option Set. This is where you'll build the extra variants that go beyond Shopify's native limit. Click on Add Element, then choose the type of option you want. For example, color swatch. Keep in mind that some element types might be locked on the free plan. To add more options, click Add Element again and choose the same or a different element type. You can repeat this as many times as you like to create multiple option groups, such as colors, sizes, materials, and so on. Now you need to link these options to your products. On the left-hand side, click on the Products section within Globo. Select the specific product you want to apply these options to. If you want these options to appear on every product in your store, you can choose Apply to All Products and turn on the toggle. When you're done, go back to the Elements tab. Click on one of the variants you added. Here you can customize it in detail. For a color swatch, for example, you can choose the exact color, add help text to guide customers, set a price add-on if this option should increase the price, add more option values, or even use bulk add to create many values at once. Take a moment to configure everything the way you want it. When you're satisfied, click Save. Next, you need to make sure these options actually display on your live store. Go back to the main Globo Product Options area in your Shopify admin. Look for a button or banner that says Enable App Embed and click it. Shopify will open the theme editor with the App Embed section highlighted. Turn on the app embed if it isn't already enabled, then click Save in the theme editor. At this point, your Globo options are active. Visit one of the products you assigned the option set to on your storefront, and you should see your new variants and custom options showing up, even if they go far beyond Shopify's original 100 variant limit.